Welcome back to a new video, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video today, man. Yes, you do see me in a jacket today because it is cold out here. So today's video, guys, I finally got my red carpet for my S10. I do have my S10 running today because I just wanted to run it, man. So you know what I'm saying, I definitely got to get this truck, I definitely got to get it out running, keep running it, keep running it, guys. Keep it flowing, keep all the juices flowing. But hey, with that being said, let me show y'all the carpet of the truck real quick before I take off in it. So before I do that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick walk around of the truck real quick for y'all. Quick walk around, man. Let me open it up. A lot of guys has been asking me about the dash and everything. I appreciate y'all for, you know, asking me a lot of questions, man. I like to share all of my thoughts with y'all about the dash swap and everything. So y'all keep asking me questions, man. Feel free. And I'm just gonna keep letting y'all know what y'all want to know about the dashboard swap, man. I know it is something different and many people would like to do it, so hey, I ain't hiding nothing, man. Y'all want to know? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna tell y'all. But let me show y'all the carpet real quick, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and end the video, man. This is gonna be a short video today. Very short video. And also, guys, if y'all don't hear from me before Christmas, man, Merry Christmas to y'all, man. I hope y'all are being safe out there, and I hope y'all enjoy y'all Christmas, man. I hope all the kids out there get whatever they want and need, guys. And you know what I'm saying? Hey. But yeah, man, so with that being said, let me show y'all the carpet that I got, man. I'm about to take it in the house right now and show y'all the color and how it looks, man, laid out. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, guys, so here is the bloody red carpet that we're gonna put in my 96 Chevy S10, man. Now it is crinkly because it's brand new. So what we got to do, guys, hopefully we can catch one day out there that's kind of warm, and we're just gonna let it sit out there and let it get warm up, and hopefully those creases and everything will get out of there and we can put it in the truck. But you know, first off, we got to take the seat out, and then we have to make a few cuts in the middle, because y'all do know I have my gear shifter in the middle, so I do have to make a hole, cut a hole there, probably like in this area right up in here, so I can cut a hole right there. And then I'm probably gonna have to cut a hole up in this area too, like right up in there, that way I can go around my cup holders, because I cannot take my cup holders off, because I put the new dash on with the freaking cup holders on, and now I can't take off the cup holders unless I take off the whole dashboard, and I ain't trying to go and do all that again. So yeah, man, this is the new brand new red carpet that y'all see, man. Brand new, guys, and I cannot wait to install it, because it's gonna be super nice. It's got a couple things on here, just got to clean it up because I had it folded up. So but yeah, guys, this is gonna be the brand new carpet for the S10, man. And also for the other S10 is gonna get brand new carpet as well, but I might be going with black instead of red. Y'all just stay tuned for that color for that truck. I won't be doing red. It will be a black in the inside, so it's gonna be totally different from what I got going on now, guys. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of videos coming, and y'all just stay tuned, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in the videos. I appreciate everybody that subscribed to my channel, man. Hey, man, we almost getting there, man. Oh, whoa, there we go, y'all. But yeah, man, like I said, I appreciate everybody that subscribed to my YouTube channel, man. That means a lot to me, and we only gonna keep going up, man. Hey, when y'all enter to my channel, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. That way YouTube can push our video out more to more people and more viewers out there, man. That way we can, hey man, grow the channel faster, man. So but with that being said, man, I really appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate all the love and support. I hope y'all have a happy and safe holiday, man. You know what I'm saying? Christmas is coming up next week, so y'all make sure y'all be safe out there. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I know it was a short video, but hey man, it is what it is. Sometimes I'm waiting on things to come in for these trucks, so y'all just stay tuned, man. There's more videos coming, more uploads, more everything is coming, guys. So with that being said, man, I really appreciate all my new subscribers. Y'all are coming in like crazy, man. I appreciate y'all, man, for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that like button when y'all stopping by, man. That way YouTube can push our videos more up there, man. That way we can be more recommended. So hey, why don't y'all do that for your boy, man? But hey, I really appreciate all my new supporters, all the love and support, man. Hey, I can't thank y'all enough, man. So what I'm about to do right now, hop in that truck, man, and go take me a spin right quick, man. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, man.